So this time for these experiences, it's like a failure, sort of, because I didn't load the film properly, which that we didn't actually take any photo out of here. Although it looks like we are taking some serious photo, but actually nothing happens because I didn't load the film properly. Yeah. So shit happens, and it happens before when I was in university, first year university. I actually wasted 4 roll of films because I didn't load them properly. Yeah. So
you learn now, you know.
Hopefully, hopefully I learned.
What the fuck? Okay. 这个可以。
If you don't start a conversation, conversation, you won't have one. You won't have one.
他那个墨镜呢？
If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. I'm not very good with people.
好。